Beera's Day with Nature. Sitting with the old brown fox in Minnie's wooden toy box is not so much fun. So, Beera decided to run. In muddy puddles jumping high, children pointed to the blue sky. Beera turned up his head. He saw a band, violet to red. Beera looked with his eyes open wide. Rainbow, rainbow, children cried. In the beautiful blue sky, Beera saw a colorful butterfly. As the butterfly sat on the bear's nose, the happy bear tapped his toes. She smiled and flew into the green. Then the bear ran and left the scene to tell his friend in the toy box what a fun-filled day it had been.